Today I am going to give a short lecture on Hardy-Suzhal rule, which is the very important topic of surface chemistry. So before understanding Hardy-Suzhal rule, we have to know that about the stability of colloidal salt. We are well known that colloidal salt is neutral. That's mean in colloidal salt there are two parts. One is dispersion phase. And another is dispersion medium. Again, we know in dispersion phase the particle present, all particle are charged particle. It may be positively charged or negatively charged. But if the particle are positively charged, then dispersion medium mass will be negatively charged, so become neutralized. So the whole solution become neutralized. Now, if we will add excess amount of electrolyte in the colloidal salt, addition of excess amount of electrolyte, then the charged particle become neutralized and combined with each other to form a big particle. The size of big particle become more than 1000 nanometer. More than 1000 nanometer, and finally become precipitate. This phenomenon is called coagulation. So first this effect studied by Hardy-Suzhal, and Hardy-Suzhal given a rule which is known as Hardy-Suzhal rule. So according to Hardy-Suzhal rule, the power of coagulation or precipitation depends upon the active valency of electrolyte. Mean those electrolyte which we are using for the precipitation, the valency or ion present inside the electrolyte, their valency depend or their valency finalize the precipitation power or coagulation power. So according to Hardy-Suzhal rule, the power of active valency of ion or glucolating agent greater is the coagulating power. This is the Hardy-Suzhal rule. If we will take an example for better understanding about Hardy-Suzhal rule, suppose when blood is bleeding, we are well known that blood is a negatively charged colloidal salt. Then for the coagulating agent we are using ferric chloride FeCl3. In ferric chloride the iron carrying plus 3 charge. On other hand, if we will use barium chloride, then in barium containing plus 2 charge. So out of ferric chloride and barium chloride, ferric chloride is a better coagulating agent because in ferric chloride Fe iron bearing +3 charge, but on other hand barium chloride barium carrying +2 charge. So the order of coagulating power for negatively charged colloidal salt is Fe3 plus greater than barium 2 plus greater than sodium plus, and for positively charged colloidal salt, the order of coagulating power is (4 minus greater than phosphate, 3 minus greater than sulfate,